Can't access your Facebook account? Here's how to recover it quickly.
Visit Facebook's official account recovery page.
Enter your email, phone number, or Facebook username. Use the verification code sent to your email or phone.
If you notice suspicious activity, select My account was hacked.
Choose a new, unique password that you've never used before.
Sign out of every device you don't recognize. Protect your account with two-factor authentication.
Remove unknown devices. And update your recovery information.
Follow these steps to secure your Facebook account and stay protected from future hacks. Follow for more tech tips.